Cleaning and restoration here today to discuss another one of our specialty services, area rug cleaning. A lot of companies want to clean those area rugs inside your home. We recommend against that, and I'm going to show you why here just shortly. We're going to take and utilize our beating services where you take a rug and we beat all the dirt out of it before you do the cleaning. That's just not something that can be done in your home. So just want to take a little bit here. I want to show you the process. We're going to utilize this machine to beat the dirt out of the rug, and then we'll do some time lapse and I'll show you the dirt that we get out of it. You saw how we took and did the beating out of it, and let me show you some of the results of what we get out of these rugs and what cannot be taken out at your house during regular cleaning services. So let me pull this up where that rug was sitting on it and show you the dirt that was up under it. So this is just some of the stuff that you see. If I were to sweep this all up like I'm going to do right now and show you the amount of dirt that's coming out of a rug just from beating of it, Joe, no. Joe. Show you what's going on here, then you're going to see that we got a lot of dirt just from this one rug. That cannot be taken out at your house with any type of a carpet cleaning machine. It has to be beaten out. And now you just looked at what was in half of this rug. So let me go on here and we'll show you the next step of a rug cleaning process. Topaz Cleaning and Restoration, continuing our spot on area rug specialty cleaning with pet treatments and stuff. I've already gone in and sprayed our treatment for the cleaning of it with an enzyme designed for wool rugs. You should not be using the same thing you would on carpet cleaning. pHs are totally different. And then I've already sprayed it down, like I said, and I'm going to go ahead and show you the shampooing side of it that works that enzyme and shampoo down into the carpet and getting it ready for extraction. So let me grab that machine, I'll show you how that works. Harness with Topaz Cleaning and Restoration, showing the final processing of area rug cleaning, and went ahead and got the rest of the rugs done today, and just wanted to kind of give you just a heads up on some of the things that we do as far as our types of rugs. This is the one that we actually took care of today. You actually got to see us do the cleaning process of it, do the enzymes odors for the pet odors in it. The rug actually smells good right now. We also do the old handmade oriental rugs. It's all done by hand. You can see where somebody cleaned it before and some of the red has bled out into it. We're going to see if we can correct that a little bit more for them after we've already done some of the treatments on it. We'll do the latch hook rugs like this one here. So any of those types of rugs that you need taken care of, any of your rugs that the pets like Joe, like running around here, and you got one of my videos, has accidents on your rugs, give us a call. We specialize in getting rid of those odors, pet odors, cigarette odors, just funky odors that are in your rugs. We can take care of those things for you. Give us a call and we'll get by there. Free pickup and delivery, and then our phone number is 210-653-9699.